Good afternoon, class 5th students. We were doing chapter number 10 of your maths book, Operation with Decimals. And in my last video, we have done exercise 10th D. Today we will start exercise 10th E. But before we will do exercise 10th E, we will understand in this exercise dividing a decimal fraction by numbers like 10, 100 and 1000 and their multiples. सो स्टूडेंट्स हम इस एक्सरसाइज में 10th ई एक्सरसाइज में समझेंगे कि डिवाइडिंग ए डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन, एक डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस को डिवाइड करना नंबर से, यानी 10, 100, 1000 और उनके मल्टीपल से. सो व्हेन अ डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन इज डिवाइडेड बाय 10, जब हम डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस को 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं, इट बिकम्स 10 टाइम स्मॉलर. सो वह 10 टाइम स्मॉलर बन जाता है. द वंस इन द नंबर रिड्यूस टू टेंथ्स, वंस नंबर जो है वो रिड्यूस होता है टेंथ से, 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 10. द टेंथ्स रिड्यूस द हंड्रेड्स, और जो टेंथ्स है वो रिड्यूस होता है हंड्रेड से, एंड सो ऑन. फॉर डिवीज़न, डिवीज़न के लिए बाय 100, फॉर डिवीज़न बाय 100 द नंबर्स बिकम 100 टाइम स्मॉलर एंड सो ऑन. सो द इफेक्ट ऑन द नंबर्स इज द डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट लेफ्ट as many places as there are zero in the divisor. This is the opposite of what happens when a decimal fraction is multiplying by 10, 100. Student, हमने डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस के मल्टीप्लाई किया था जब 10, 100, 1000 से और उनके मल्टीपल से, तो हम राइट में शिफ्ट करते थे पॉइंट को, राइट में. जब हम डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस का डिवाइड 10, 100, 1000 से करते हैं और जब डिवाइड करते हैं तो हम लेफ़्ट में शिफ्ट करते हैं डेसिमल को. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल 75.8 डिवाइडेड बाई 10. सो यहाँ हम 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हम 10 में 1 0 है, इट मीन्स हम पॉइंट को जो है वो राइट साइड में शिफ्ट कर देंगे 1 नंबर छोड़कर. सो 758 डिवाइडेड बाई 10, सॉरी, पॉइंट जो होगा वो शिफ्ट हो जाएगा लेफ़्ट में शिफ्ट होगा, तो 7 के बाद में पहुंच जाएगा ये पॉइंट. सो दिस इज़ द आंसर 7.58. Zeros in divisor equals to 1, point shifted left 1 place, ones become tenths. Now another example, 75.8 divided by 100. So 0 in divisor 2. So the point shifted after left after 2 place, before 2 place. 0 in divisor 2, point shifted left 2 places. So जो point shift होगा वो लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट होगा 2 places में, ones become hundreds. So the answer will be 0.758 and so on. Now we will do exercise 10th E. So question number 1 has question A to question O. So take out your notebook and we will do exercise 10th E. So in notebook we will write the exercise 10th E and underline this heading, and that here we will mention the date. The date of today is 2/9/20. Now question number 1 is fill in. So question number A, 2.4 divided by 10. Student, as you know very well, first of all we will see how many 0 in 1. It means 0 in divisor equals to 1. So point shifted left 1 place. So point shifted before 2. So the answer will be 0.24. 0.24. So the answer will be 0.24. Now question B, 0.3 divided by 10. Same again. 0 in divisor 1. So point shifted left 1 place. So the answer will be 0.03. Now question C, 1.07 divided by 10. Same again, the answer will be 0.107. Question D, 0.371 divided by 10. So 0 in divisor 1. So the point shifted left one place. So the answer will be 0.0371. 0.0371. Now question E, 310.3 divided by 100. So 0 in divisor 2. Zeros in divisor 2. So the point shifted left 2 places. So the answer will be 3.103. Now question F, 25.72 divided by 100. So zeros in divisor 2. So the point shifted left 2 places. So the answer will be 0.2572. Question G, 6.315 divided by 100. Same again, zeros in divisor 2. So the point shifts left 2 places. So the answer will be 0.06315. Question S, 0.14 divided by 100. So zeros in divisor 2. So the point shifts to left 2 place. So the answer will be 0.0014. Now question I, 4200.8 divided by 1000. So here we will see zeros in divisor 3. So the point shifts left 3 places. So the answer will be 4.2008. Now question J, 379.24 divided by 1000. Same again, zeros in divisor 3. So the point shifted left 3 places. So the answer will be 0.03794. Now question K, 86.59 divided by 1000. So zeros in divisor 3. So the point shifted after left 3 places. So the answer will be 0.08659. Question L, 7.125 divided by 1000. So the answer will be 0.007125. Question M, 0.5 divided by 10. So the answer 0.05. Question N, 0.7 divided by 100. So the answer will be 0.07007. Question O, 1.8 divided by 1000. So the answer will be 0.0018. So question number 1 is done. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2 has A, B, C, D part. So first of all we will do part A of question number 2. So part A of question number 2 is 84.9 by 30. So we will divide it 84.9 by 30. 30 to the 60. So the answer, so the left number is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Because here is given in question point, so we will write after 2 point. Then we will write down the number 9. So this will be 249. Now we will divide it 249 by 30. 38 is 240. So 9 is left and we will write here 0 automatically. Now we will divide it 90 by 30. 33 is 90. So the answer will be 2.83. Question B, 91.5 by 50. So the answer will be 1.83. Question C, 36.45 by 90. So 90 is we can't divide it 36 by 90, so we will divide it 0 time. 90 zeros are 0. So the answer will be 36. Sorry. So left we will subtract 0 from 36, so it will be 36. Now here given point in question, so we will write here after 0 point, and then we will bring down 4. so it will be 364. Now we will divide it 364 by 90, so 94 is 360. 4 is left, 5 is bring down, we can't divide it 45 by 90, so we will write here 0 and then we will write here again 0, so it will be 450. Now we will divide it 450 by 90, 95 ja 450, so the answer will be 0.405. Now question D, 3.51 by 20, so the answer will be 0.1755. Now we will do question number 3. Question number 3 has also part A, part B, part C and part D. So first of all we will do part A. Part A of question 3 is 500.4 divided by 200. So 200 2 is 400. Now we will subtract 400 from 500. It will be 100. Now here in this question, after 500 given point, so we will write here point after 2 in quotient and then we will bring down 4. Now we will divide it 1004 by 200, so it will be 205 ja 1000. We will subtract 1000 from 1004, it will be 4. Then we will write here 20 automatically. Now 200 2 ja 400, so the answer will be 2.502. Question B, 845.1 divided by 300. Same again, when we will do divide, it will be 2.817. Question C, 6.2 divided by 500. So the answer will be 0.0124. Question D, 250.24 divided by 100. When we will divide it, it will be 0.3128. I hope you will be understand well. Now student, question exercise 10th E has completed. You will do this exercise in your fair math register very neatly and cleanly, that I have done, and you will revise also this exercise. Thank you.